Hey everybody, Billy Alt, 700 Credit Repair. Wanted to hit you with today's credit tip. Today's credit tip is know your mix, know what kind of credit you have. Our mixture, or our mix on our credit, makes up 15% of our credit score in the FICO algorithm. FICO has a distaste for somebody who has too many revolving accounts, somebody who has too many installment accounts. So the game plan should be, let's say you're fresh out of college, brand new credit report. You'd want to have 2 revolvings, 1 installment. Now break that down just a little bit. It's good also, the higher your score goes, the more veins we have, so to speak. So 2 revolvings and 1 installment's a great mix, but as you get higher in your score, people tend to have more revolving accounts. And what they tend to have are store type revolving accounts like a Dillard's or a Macy's or something like that. They may have some gas card revolving accounts like a Shell station, whatever. Then they'll have some true Visa accounts. So you want to have a nice healthy mix inside of your mix, so to speak. So you want to have a good spread of different types of revolvings. And then installment accounts. An installment account is a fixed account. A house, a car, a student loan. So a nice So a nice healthy mix on installment accounts would be a mortgage, student loans, something like that. So when you analyze your credit reports, if you see all I have are student loans and cars, you may be missing the boat because 15% of your score comes from revolving credit. So you'd want to open you a couple revolving cards. A good rule of thumb is for every 2 to 3 revolvings, you have 1 installment. So if you have 6 or 7, you'd like to have 2. People with a 700 to 800 credit score, they typically carry 7 revolving credit cards and 3 installments. I hope this helps. Y'all take care. Call me or message me in the DM if you guys have any questions or anything like that. Thank you.